Hello, I am Adwork and welcome to our video on augmented reality, AR, a technology that is changing the way we interact with the world around us. In this video, we will explore what AR is, how it works, and its applications in various fields. Definition of AR: augmented reality is an advanced technology that superimposes digital information onto the real-world environment in real time. This is done through a device, such as a smartphone or smart glasses, which uses cameras, sensors, and software to recognize and track objects and overlay digital content on top of them. How AR works? AR works by using a combination of hardware and software to detect the user's location and orientation in the real world, and then overlay digital content onto that real-world environment. This is done by first scanning the environment and creating a 3D model of it, and then using this model to place virtual objects in the real world in a way that is realistic and interactive. Applications of AR: AR has numerous applications across various fields, including gaming, education, healthcare, architecture, retail, and more. In gaming, AR allows players to interact with virtual characters and objects in the real world, creating a more immersive experience. In education, AR can be used to create interactive learning experiences that engage students and make learning more fun. In healthcare, AR can be used to visualize and analyze medical images in 3D, helping doctors and researchers to better understand complex medical conditions. In architecture, AR can be used to visualize building designs in 3D, allowing architects to see how buildings will look and interact with the surrounding environment. In retail, AR can be used to create virtual try-on experiences, allowing customers to see how clothes or makeup will look on them before making a purchase. Conclusion: augmented reality is an exciting technology that is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. With its ability to superimpose digital content onto the real world in real time, AR has numerous applications across various fields, from gaming and education to healthcare and retail. As AR technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on technology and innovation.